Hello children, I hope you all are enjoying science sessions. Now tell me the names of these pictures. Yes, first one is a sparrow. Then it's an eagle. Parrot. Woodpecker. Flamingo. Stork. Peacock. Hornbill. Correct guess children. Today we are going to learn about birds and their features. Let's begin with our session then. Do you know children? There are more than 10,000 types of birds. Birds are different from other animals because they can fly in the air. No other animals can fly like birds. Then let's see why they can fly and what do they eat and how do they survive in the nature. In this picture, you can see the body parts of bird. The main body parts of birds are beak or you can say bill, head, back, throat, breast, wings, tail and legs. In this picture you can see that all birds have beaks with different shapes and sizes. Duck has different beak and eagle has different beak. Their beaks are different from each other. The beak has two key functions. Birds use them to build their homes and to catch food. Its shape helps it to dig onto the surface of fields to get the insects and worms to eat. A bird has wings which helps it to fly. Birds' wings have feathers and strong muscles attached to them. With the help of their strong arm and chest muscles, birds flap their wings and fly. In this picture you can see that how they can flap their wings and fly. This picture describes the movement of wings when they flap their wings upwards, downwards, backwards. Yes, so these movements of their wings help them to fly in the air. With the help of their wings, they can fly in the air. It helps them to move forward, backward, upward or hovering. Birds have very light bodies which help them to fly easily. This is Because the bones of birds are thin, light, and hollow. Children, what does hollow means? It means empty inside, like pipes. Pipes have holes and we can blow the air from it. In the same way, their hollow bones help them with oxygen intake during flight. Now see these pictures. What do you see? Look at the shape of the birds which are flying in the sky. It looks like an aeroplane. These all features of their body help the birds to fly high in the air. Today I would like to share some interesting facts about some birds. Can you guess, children, which is the largest bird on the earth? Yes, correct guess. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. You can see in this picture. It also lays the largest eggs and has the fastest maximum running speed. Now, can you tell me which is the smallest bird in the world? Let me tell you. See in this picture. This is the bee hummingbird. It is the smallest living bird in the world. They can fly backwards and upside down. So, with these facts, we can say that birds have very light bodies. They can flap their wings and fly. Their body weight makes them to fly in the air. All birds have their special qualities based on their body structure, looks, and many more. They eat worms, seeds, grains, or fruits also. Do you know, children? There is a bird which is bird, but it cannot fly. Can you guess? Correct. It's a penguin. Penguin is the bird that cannot fly, and they live in snowy regions. They have short feathers and their body weight is more. You can see in this picture that feathers are very small compared to their body size. So, their feathers are not capable to bear the weight of their body, and it makes difficult for it to fly in the air. They can jump, but they cannot fly. So, would you like to see a video of penguins? Let's see then.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Can we applaud? Oh,
Not as nice. You been taking video?
yeah, I want it.
Yeah, dude. But I thought I was and I wasn't. And then I did.
That one was just fun. Oh, two at once.
Take some video. My camera's
does this look? It's amazing.
Wow, what a funny video it was. So, I guess you must have enjoyed today's session, children. Now, what will you do is read lesson number 4, Animal Life, to revise all the concepts. Thank you. Goodbye.